Hey, Mackenzie from Caldwell Outdoor Equipment. I have the Hustler Raptor X right here. I wanted to give you some information on. This Raptor X is specifically a 42-inch with a Kawasaki engine. It is going to mow about 2.39 acres per hour. And right now it is, if you do the regular price, 0% for 48 months, that will be $41.99. The cutting edge price, if you do a debit or credit card, would be $4,049, or the cash price would either be cashier's check, or we have a 0% for 6 months financing, and that would be $3,899. This specific model is one of our popular models that we sell, residential. So if you have any questions or you're interested in buying, give us a call at 636-586-9607, or you can check us out online at caldwellequipment.com. Thanks.